Hello everyone, today we're going to show you guys how to fix your nail clippers if they become separated, like if this happens. What the? Oh man, no, my nail clippers, they've broken. And this is, I don't know, it's a pretty weird nail clipper here. I mean, it's got two sides. I mean, I don't even know why it's got two sides here. Okay. Anyway, so you stepped on your nail clippers or whatever, and all of a sudden it looks like this, and you're like, oh man, what am I gonna do? My nails really need to be clipped right now. Well, it's simple. Take this little guy here, this little doohickey here, and then this piece here. I don't know the nomenclature to nail clippers, but you put the little doohickey through the thingy-majig there, okay, and make sure the opening is facing this way, and then when you press down, simply take this part, and you just turn it this way, put it into that little groove. You just got that thing there. Make sure that goes underneath the little thing that bites down, and it'll release. It's now biting down once again. If you have weird nail clippers, simply repeat the process on the other side. Take the little, I don't know, whatever it's called, with the little hook thing on it. Make sure the hook is facing that way. Press down. Take your little, I don't know, depression lever or something like that. Put it underneath the lip. Release the pressure here. And then, should be good to go. Got it hooked back up. Once again, wait a minute. Hold the phone. I think this one is right. Yes. But this one, actually, I think I like it better this way. I don't know. Okay, so maybe it doesn't fit all that good, but it actually feels, you know what? Okay, so apparently I did not fix it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one off, just press down, release, flip it, put the thing through there. I think it goes like that. Yeah, sure, why not? Apparently this is some kind of ambidextrous or something. Nail clippers, I don't know. Anyway, put it back in there, release, and you're back to your nail clippers, and they work. Hey, clippy, yes. Okay. So thanks for watching, everyone. I don't know what kind of nail clippers you call these, like butterfly nail clippers or what, but that's how you fix them, and it works on normal nail clippers as well. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day out there, and I hope this video helps. Okay, bye.